Hey, no coders. If you want to build automation and you want to do it fast and securely, you choose NoCode-X. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your NoCode-X account, how to create your first workspace or company within NoCode-X, and how to choose the package that suits you and your use case the best. So let's dive in. Let's head over to up.nocodex.com. I am presented with a login screen. If I would already have a NoCodeX account, I can use this screen to authenticate, but I don't. So let's create one from scratch here by clicking the register button right here. This page allows me to create an account by using my Facebook account, my Google account, or LinkedIn account, or I can do so by creating a new one using my email address. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll just have to fill in this small form right here, choose a password, and hit the register button. Once I've hit the register button, I will be asked to verify my email address. I can do that by clicking the link of the email that I've just received in my mailbox. So let me just go on ahead and do that. And once I've done that, I can return to up.nocodex.com and I am logged in and I'm presented with a welcoming screen, which actually explains to me that everything I will build within NoCodeX is put underneath a company or a workspace, so to say. So everything that I've built, going from an application to a small contact form to an API or a small automation, it will reside within a company or a workspace. So the first thing to do here is to create a new company. As a user, I can have access to as many companies as I would like. I can create as many companies as I would like. Um, I can invite other users to companies, or I can be invited to companies as well. So let's just go ahead and create my first company. So that's really it. My workspace is set up. The last thing for me to do is now to pick a package that I want to link to my workspace. The packages, as you can see, are divided or are restricted by resources. So they are restricted by four parameters. First of all, the storage, which is really defined by the amount of data that you store within the built-in database of NoCodeX, or the amount of media files that you store within the media library of NoCodeX. Then the bandwidth, which is really defined by the amount of data that your users are requesting from your application, so the amount of calls that your users do to your application. And then you have the developers, which are actually the amount of people that are working on your application. And then you have the CPU power, which is the amount of minutes our CPUs have to work in order to serve your application or your automation. So if you're really just into NoCodeX for experimenting with it, learning about it, the absolutely free package is perfect for you. It will allow you to gain access to all the features within NoCodeX. There's really no restriction wise during the open beta. There's no restriction feature wise between these packages. So all features will be included in absolutely free. There's only the restriction of the resources. So if you want to experiment, absolutely free is perfect for you. If you have a project that you want to bring to production at a moment in time, then the personal package is good for you, at least if it's a personal project. It allows you to have a little bit more storage. It allows you to use a little bit more bandwidth, and it allows a lot more CPU power for your application. It is, however, restricted to the amount of developers within your team being one. Huh? If your team grows, Then you can opt in for the small team package, which allows you to have up to 3 developers within your team. And if it gets really serious at a point in time, you can move on to the business package, which allows you to use a little bit more storage again, a little bit more bandwidth, and quite a lot of CPU minutes. If any of these packages do not suit your needs, please contact us for a custom offer. That's not a problem. Or if you want to run NoCode-X on-prem, which is absolutely possible, please contact us as well. So I'll just opt in for the absolutely free package right here. And that's really it. My workspace is up and running, and now I can start creating my application. So I create a new application, and I want to create, name it my automation. I hit the save button, and that's it. And now I can start creating my application. Now there's really a lot that you can do within NoCode-X. That's not really part of this video. It will be part of next videos. So please keep following us for more of these tutorials.